Hey, what's up, guys? This is my 2023 firework stash. We're just gonna start with like novelties and whatnot, and then we'll move on to the bigger stuff. So first up, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of jumbo crackling balls. Pretty nice, always fun to have. I got 2 colored spaceship. It's very nice, just spins on the ground. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of smoke balls. And these ones I'm really excited about. They're jumbo ground blooms, but they crackle. So let's see what those do. Then we got 4 packs of firecrackers. Big Thunder firecrackers. It's pretty cheap, $1 each. So it's pretty good. And airplane bombers. It's pretty nice. We got 1 chicken. That's it. Got a pack of tanks. We got Saturn missiles, but they're crackling. So we got 4 of those. Got 4 of the 3. And 4. So yeah, crackling Saturn missiles. We got disco flashers. I've never had these, but they're supposedly like strobes, but they like do colors, I guess. So that's always fun. We got 2 cakes, 48 shot color pearls. Always nice to have. And I've seen these on YouTube, but I've never known what they are. They're called zippers, I guess. I've seen them on YouTube. I forgot what they do, but like pretty cool. And we got another pack of zippers. It's pretty cool. And got some whistling chasers. And we got the last item in this bag, flashing strobe. Right, let's move that aside. Right, so then we got in this other bag, got some ladybugs. Pretty nice. They're really fun to have. I've never had this. It's called Magic Barrage. 100 shots. So we'll see what that does. I might put it at like my finale. Some other stuff. And never seen these before, but I've had like similar stuff to these. These were about like $3 or something. So pretty nice. We got 2 packs of Big Thunder 8-ball Blue Thunder Roman candles, and they supposedly with loud thunder bangs. So we got 2 packs of those. I think they were like $2.50 each, so not a bad deal. We got some more of the planes, some more planes. We got a bunch of Morning Glories sparklers. This was like $5 for all of these sparklers, so pretty nice. Then, last but not least, in this bag, we got some Yellow Jackets fountains. Then we have an assortment over here, and I'll take it out. Let's move all this stuff over here. Okay, and in this excellent bag, we got, first thing we have is a fountain. It's called Blue Ice. It's pretty nice. We got, let's see, Magic Magnum flashers. Pretty nice. She got 2 packs of Magnum flashers. We got a fountain, a little fountain, Pop Star. Pretty nice. Got a bunch of Roman candles in here. Okay. Got 8 different Roman candles, I believe. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, I think, yeah. So they do all different stuff, I believe. I think this one's like whistling or something, and then this one's like crackling because it's red or something. But yeah, pretty cool. Then we got a big Saturn battery missile by Black Cat Fireworks, 25 shots, pretty nice. Can never go wrong with Saturn missiles. We got Black Cats, pretty nice. Got 2 fountains, which I'm not really familiar with, but they look pretty cool. Got 2 of them, color sprayer, tricolor sprayer. And I got a 200-gram cake in here, SOS, 6 shots. Nice little cake. We got some just regular snaps, some sparklers. We got another fountain, cuckoo fountain, pretty nice, nice whistle. We got some more ground blooms, these are little ones though, so it's pretty nice. And, sorry guys. And last but not least is a 6-gun, 200-gram firework cake with 6 shots, I believe. That doesn't say, I don't think, how many shots it has. But it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's all my stash. This was around $150. So pretty good deal, I believe. And we got one more item to do, actually. So this was a gift from my dad for Christmas. These are just canister shells, 4-inch shells, and they're called Fully Loaded. So it's pretty cool. They're world class. So yeah, this concludes my whole fireworks stash. It's pretty nice. 150 bucks. The place where I got it from was San Antonio American Fireworks Superstore. Definitely recommend going there. And peace out. Peace.